Hey guys, so I think I am going to you want to be in here too. Oh, you're so sweet. Yeah, but I think I'm going to try to start vlogging. I really don't have too much of an interesting life. I go to school, I go to work, I study, I clean, I cook, and I take care of all my pets. So, yeah, let's just see how this goes, huh? Alright. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. We are having zucchini and onion. This is called a harbor sausage. We also call it Vietnamese sausage, but it's so good. It's like a candied kind of taste to it. It's really sweet, and that's my favorite. But then we're also eating rice with an egg, and you just drizzle a little soy sauce on that, and it is perfecto. We had to run to Walmart because our favorite frying pan started to chip, and we needed a new one because all of our other ones sucked, and we ended up coming across this. It was originally $80, I believe, and we got it for $50, so too good to pass up, and it's cute, so win-win. Let's unbox it. Alrighty, so this is what we got. Kind of disappointed in the cooking utensils, but fortunately, a week ago, I had bought a set, and it actually matches it, which is kind of weird, because that was totally not planned. Yay for new pans. So I found this at TJ Maxx. Ulta, or the beauty stores, are no longer selling them. I think it's like a Christmas thing, because, you know, that would explain, like, Santa and all that. But I got it for $24.99, and then I think it was originally around 50 bucks, if I'm not mistaken. I think like 50 to 60, but I got it for $24.99. But I thought we should open it together. So this is the little bag that it comes with. Whenever you open it up, this is the first thing you see. You have the Better Than Sex mascara, which is amazing. It works really well on my lashes. But these are the 3 palettes that it comes with. They all open up like a little notepad. No mirrors, unfortunately. Yeah, but I was checking out, and the cashier was asking me if there were any more, and I was like, no, I don't think so. I think this is the last one, but it really was in a random spot. And I am super surprised that all of them are, like, untouched. Even the mascara, like, nobody has gotten into this, and that's just perfect. And my little sister is gonna be super jealous, because she's the makeup queen. But yeah, sorry, Garner. So we're having baked beans, sloppy joe, and then just a salad. Pretty much all this food is from Aldi too, so really good. You might be able to see your head jump right here. This is all she wants me to do. Give me 5. Give me 5. Oh, thank you. Good job. Boop. Where's Sissy Prissy? Oh, there she is. She's just right there. Prissy. Prissy. Are you sleepy? So I went to Bargain Hunt. I was on the hunt for a phone card mount. I got it for $12, and I tried it out before I purchased it, but it looks pretty good, and my phone fit perfectly. And then we just went shopping in Ross. Getting a little spoon holder for like when you're cooking and stuff. We haven't had one since we moved into this apartment, and we used to have one at my house, and I loved it, but now it's time for this one. She is just gonna sit right there. And then I found this, if I can get it out, which will be super convenient for like when I'm cooking or something and I don't want to get my big old camera out. You know, I can hook it up to a cabinet or something and it'll work just fine. That was $5, $6, $5.99. So yeah, that was a good deal too. And let's be real, I can put this onto my headboard and droop it over my face so I don't have to hold my phone ever again when I'm watching videos. And this was a super, super good deal. Y'all know I love my marble, anything marble, but they'll be cute for like if I make something and I want to show it to y'all. It's a cute plate. And what's even better, 99 cents. What are we eating?
The good. I'm hungry. Eat. I gotta stop.
We're eating chimichangas, rice and beans, and he got the pico de gallo and guacamole. And a margarita. And he's getting another beer, so. Get back.
Bye. Sit. Sit.
Sit, Chris.
There.
Good girls! Good girls! What are we eating for dinner, Kelvin?
Shepherd's pie.
It's got layers.
Like an onion.
It's just meat, potatoes, cheese, and then cream of mushroom on top. We're gonna call it a night. Get up kind of early tomorrow. Gotta clean the house a little bit. Maybe thinking about filming the apartment tour. We gotta do some cleaning and some laundry. But other than that, we'll see you tomorrow. Just gonna eat some ramen for lunch. I cooked the noodles, drained all the water, put the noodles into a frying pan, put an egg in there and some teriyaki sauce, and then the original ramen flavor packet. But yeah, turned out pretty good. All right, Cal.
What?
What'd you make?
We're about to bake some chicken, and this is gonna go inside the baking dish. Yeah. Over the chicken.
Wait, what is this?
It is cream mushroom, cream chicken, and there's onions,
garlic,
jalapenos, and a little chicken broth.
Well, Calvin did not make this look very pretty, but it's chicken over rice, and then this is like a gravy kind of thing. It's supposed to be like a Cajun kind of feel to it. Calvin cooked it, so thank you, Calvin. Okay, so I think that's gonna be it for the week. I had super fun, you know, just documenting what we were doing, and I think I might continue to do this. I think this will be more of a weekly thing. I don't know how often I will be able to do it because of school and study time and, you know, all that kind of fun stuff. I hope y'all enjoyed this. This is just a little taste into my life and what I do every day and what goes on around here. Not much, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!